I'm Dr. Gray Kantor here with Kantor Dental Group and my son Isaac, and we're going to talk to you today about flossing. Well, brushing a toddler's teeth. Right now he's flossing, so this is good. This is good just to let him play with the floss. See, we're using cocoa floss, which is really good floss. Oh, what's that? That was good flossing. You ready to brush? Oh, see, he's not ready to brush. This is a perfect video when they don't want to brush. Okay, let's brush your teeth then, okay? Hold on, take this out. Take this out. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's a tiger. Okay, good job. Okay, brush your teeth. Open, say ah. And we'll sing that. What do you want to sing? ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you go around from tooth to tooth. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. When you do the back of the front teeth, you turn it down like this. And when you do the back of the bottom teeth, you turn it up like this. Now the hard part is always getting the front of the teeth because they tighten their lips. There we go. You got to get the front of the teeth all the way down to the gums. Up at the top. Up at the top. Oh, good job. Okay, spit. Big spit. A, B, C, D. The Sonicare toothbrush is really good for the kids. That way they can kind of move their head around, and they do it themselves. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Oh. Okay, let's go spit. You go ahead, you do too. Good job. Okay, all right. And then you get the very back of the back teeth. Don't go too far back because kids have a strong gag reflex. And the strong gag reflex, they will actually throw up. I've done it before. So you want to make sure you're just getting to the back of the last tooth. And then you say, all done. Are you all done? Okay, one last spit. Okay, and then can you say, thank you.
Thank you.
Please subscribe.
Please, you guys.
Okay, bye-bye.